how to link Steam to Marvel Rivals account. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Steam account with Marvel Rivals. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up any browser you're using. Search for Marvel Rivals and head over to their official website. Once you're there, look at the top side and click on the login button. Now, you'll see several login options on the screen. Here we want to connect the Marvel Rivals to Steam. So, click on the one that says Steam. Now go ahead and sign in with your Steam account. This will automatically link your Steam with your Marvel Rivals account. Once that's done, you can log in with the same account on the Marvel Rivals PC application. And from there, your game progress will be saved and synced properly. That's all for the video. That's how you can link Steam to Marvel Rivals account. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.